Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and if you are looking for a way to simplify your charging station, you are gonna love this 3-in-1 charging cord from Amasuki.
If you ever feel like me with so many wires, you are going to love this 3-in-1 charging cable. It literally changes the game. It has a USB-C with an attached USB adapter and three different charging modes. So it has the watch charger, a USB-C charger, and a lightning port. So this really is just such a game changer for either travel or your nightstand. You are able to plug this right in and charge three devices at once. It is also made from super high quality material with a sandblasted aluminum shell and this great nylon braided wire. So you don't have to worry about pinching or the wires becoming cracked. This is just so amazing that I'm able to charge my phone, my watch, my Kindle, anything else all at the same time while leaving my nightstand nice and organized. I really cannot wait to start traveling with this. It's going to be amazing.
If you're sick of getting tangled up with all those wires, you are gonna love this 3-in-1 charging cable. It is literally so perfect. It has everything you need, and that's my point of view.